You know what I'm starting to realize, as a crochet artist who has been crocheting for the better part of, I don't know, multiple decades. I'm in my 40s. And I first learned how to crochet when I was young. I don't remember exactly. But I started taking it more seriously when I was in college, so around my 20s. Because I originally learned from my mom, but then I was reintroduced to it again in college by my CA. And we used to have these. Anyway, that's not even what this video is about. This video, I'm sitting here sewing together parts for something that I'm working on, which you did guess right, Zenobia. It is a teddy bear of sorts, but it's a specific character. And I'm realizing that I don't like crocheting in a round. I prefer to crochet in rows, back and forth. So even if it requires making a tube, for example, I will crochet a rectangle and sew it up because I think I just prefer the look of how it looks when it's sewn. Because I like how my when you crochet in the row, all of your crochet rows, like all of the stitches align perfectly. You get that beautiful straight edge. Whereas when you crochet in rounds, even when you're not crocheting in a continuous spiral, the tube still kind of like twist and shift. I don't know. And I just find that annoying. It's a lot easier for me to keep up with my stitch count when I crochet in rows versus crocheting in the round. I think that's what it really is. What it really is that as a person with ADHD who constantly forgets, like I walk away from my projects and then come back to them, I have no idea where, because I don't really follow patterns. Mostly I freehand, and so if I'm working in a round, sometimes I just can't remember. Like, well, shit, what did I do? You know, even when I mark the beginning and end of the round. Like, you don't have to mark the beginning and end. You either mark the beginning or you mark the end. Even when I do that, my seams seem to shift a little bit, and that just the autism don't like that. So yeah, I prefer to crochet in rows. Am I the only one, or like, how are y'all? What are y'all preferences? Do y'all like rows or rounds or whatever? Because like, even if I do follow a pattern and the pattern isn't round, I will convert that to make it flat so I can just seam it up in the end. I don't mind sewing together parts. I find that to be therapeutic. But I don't know. How's it for y'all? Are y'all the same? Like, do you prefer rows around when you crochet or knit?